So for this section, I'm just showing you exactly what's going into each of the cups. I got a load of stuff off Shein, a load of stickers, a load of paper, and in each of the cups I'm going to be putting an arrangement of stickers and papers, and then I'm going to be using that paper, which I will show you at the very end of this video, to put it into my journal. And every day I'll use the stickers and the papers just to as a fun way to decorate my journal. And then in the journal I'll be talking about like weight loss, I'll be talking about what I'm going to do each day, goal setting, keeping track of my weight, keeping track of my food, just a general journal to keep track of anything. So I'm going to put all of that stuff straight into a cup, and I'm going to do that for every single one of my cups. So as you can see, there's a few little stickers there and stuff. So next up we have the filling the cups. So I have a ton of paper, so I had to go through every single batch of paper I had and stickers and just put as much as I can in each cup. And then the very bottom cups there, the furthest away cups, the 6 cups, are for £7, 1 stone, 1.5 stone, 2 stone, 2.5 stone, and 3 stone. So my goal is to reach 3 stone in the next year. Hopefully way less than a year, but I'm not putting the pressure on myself. So this is just me covering the cups. All the cups are just glued down. I actually broke one there accidentally, but all of the cups are glued down, and then you get paper mache and a rubber band just so that you can break the cups for the actual punching of the cups. So that's that there, and trying to fit everything in. I have pom-poms in each of these cups as well. And that's the finished look with the black and the pink. I think it's really pretty. So this is what it looks like on my wall. I got some string and stuck it up. So I lost 4 pounds this week. So I'm going to be actually punching 4 cups. That was the first cup. Please excuse the actual state of me, mortified for myself. But I did not feel like putting on makeup and stuff to do this video. So that is me taking the stuff out of the cups. That's me attempting to do a TikTok. My phone is like 5 years old, so they don't look good currently. And that's all the stuff. So they're the pom-poms for keeping track of the pounds. This is the paper from the 4 cups. I got loads of different types of paper, and I'll be ripping those up and like sticking them in the journal and then writing around them to kind of keep track of everything. I got some really pretty paper from Shein. If you're ever into stationery, check it out. Shein does really good stationery. They're the cute little stickers. There's a load of stickers there on top of the book as well. And yeah, and then I have the pom-poms, of course. So 4 pom-poms this week. So excited. So I just put those all in my journal, so each day I'm going to use those. So now it's time for the gifts. So this is an Amazon box that I just have a ton of random gifts in here for however many pounds. So that was the first one. I got a face mask, and you can see all the like dodgy like masking tape around the box there, me trying to like keep it together. The next thing I got was a cherry ring. This box is like full to the brim of presents, by the way. So for each pound is a present, and once I lose 3 stone, I still have another 2 to 3 stone to go after that, so I'll be coming back to it again. I'm going to show you the presents now at the very end, exactly what I got, but I'll be doing this every single week. So make sure, they're the rings I got, actually they're really pretty. Make sure to follow me on TikTok as well. That's where I'm going to be showing you all the presents and everything that I get from the box. And for every £7 and every stone, I'll be getting bigger things. That is a cherry ring. Ew, so cute. I don't know what that was. But yeah, they're all the presents I got. And the face masks and the rings and that weird kind of earring thing that's not actually an earring, it like hooks onto your ear. And this is just an example of me exactly what I'm going to be doing with my journal. This isn't exactly it. I'll show a more like in-depth version of it on my TikTok as well. I don't leave space on this particular page for writing in, but in the ones that I've been doing recently, I've been leaving space in the middle of the journal to actually write things in every day. So yeah, I just stick all the stickers onto the actual pages. So just a general overview as well of what this is going to be. So for each cup is £1, and for every pound I lose, I punch a cup. I get my pom-poms and I get my stickers from the cup, and then I also get I get to actually stick my hand into the surprise box and pick a surprise every week. And for every £7, I get a bigger prize, which I will show you when I eventually open those up. Just so you know, I have everything linked below if you want to buy anything, or if you want to get anything off Shein, or if you want to go onto Amazon and get any of the other stuff that I got. I will be using affiliate marketing in the future, but unfortunately I don't think I have anything from Amazon in here at the moment. I might, but anything you're interested in, don't forget to click below and check it out, and you can get it. It's just going to help out my page and help me to become eventually a full-time YouTuber. But yeah, so this was so exciting to make. As you can see, I really enjoy doing the journaling part. If I had just stopped there, that's what my journals look like. Like, they have the space in the middle, but then I stuck all this other stuff on. Actually, I stuck on way more. Wait till you see. This was just my first page and I was just messing around. So I got so many cute stickers from Shein. But yeah, that was my punch cups for this week. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.